start smash that bell and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Now let's open it up. Whoa, gives us the little helping tool. Let's open it up. Okay guys, we have cocoa powder, sugar, confectioner sugar, flour. Look, they gave me another one with their spatula. Thank you. Wow. They gave me the big panda face cupcake. It's kind of ripped. They gave me stuff to color and stickers. They gave me a little picture. Another picture of a tiger, I think. They gave me also this picture, vanilla, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Nothing else. In addition, from the box that we just opened, you'll need 2 bowls, 1 egg, 2/3 cup of milk, oil, 1 teaspoon, a baking pan, cupcake holders, a whisk, and a spatula spoon. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna do step 1. Wash hands and preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Okay. And okay, step 2. Put a paper cup in each hole in the cupcake pan. Okay. Now time for step 3. Break the egg into a large bowl, beat it well. Okay, here's the large bowl. It looks like I'm feeling to make eggs. Now it's time for step 4. Add 1/3 cup of oil and the 1/2 cup milk. Beat the mix again. Okay. Let's beat for 1 minute. Now it's time for step 5. Pour sugar into the same bowl with vanilla sugar and mix them all together. So like take your sugar from Baketivity. Guys, guess what? I learned something when I was like making the gingerbread house one. Don't let go, because then it's gonna pour everywhere. Okay, then vanilla sugar. Vanilla sugar. Oh, it's heavy when you mix it. Ooh, it's like whisking. Whisk. Well, you are whisking. I feel like you could do like the shake with it. In a separate bowl, because it's step 6, pour your flour, salt, and baking powder and mix them all together. So it doesn't matter what step you're doing. Okay, baking powder, and then confectioner sugar. Oh, it's heavy. Look guys, it's hard. Whoa. Some big clumps. That's supposed to be like that. Okay, now flour. Wait, where's my? Oh, this flour is like, whoa. Can't. Now we're doing step 7. Now we're going to pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Time to mix. Step 8 is called mixing. So we're mixing. Step 9, we're gonna fill the cupcake holders. Yeah! Whoa. To 15 to 18 minutes. So let's put it in the oven. Now we're gonna read step 12. So you're gonna get some confectioner's sugar and pour it in, and then 1.5 cups of milk. You could use whatever kind of milk you want. One, 2 eggs. Now we're gonna add some cocoa in a separate bowl because you have to use some of that's gonna be icing, and then another one is gonna be like chocolate, vanilla chocolate. Ooh, it's turning chocolate. Yum. 2, 1, 0. Guys, it's all done. I'm so excited to take them out. Let's do it. Whoa. Wow, they smell so good. The flavors are coming up to my nostrils. And they're like, Serafina, they're cupcakes. Yummy. Cupcakes. Now it's time to frost. So we're gonna take all of, oh, this one's good. Thank you, cupcake. They kind of like fell down, but that's okay. They're still gonna taste good. It doesn't matter about the look. It matters about the taste. I don't think that one will get out. That one's, there's 2 stuck to it. Now we're gonna frost 6 and 6. So 6 are gonna be chocolate, the other are gonna be vanilla. 6, because 6 plus 6 is 12, and we have 12. So we're decorating the panda right now. Decorate. But I couldn't help it. Here's the the panda. I know it doesn't look perfect, but you get the idea, right? Now it's my favorite part. It's time to taste this. So who should I call on who? Luca! Luca! Luca!
Yeah.
Would you like to try my delicious panda bear?
They sank a lot.
I know.
Why is it watery?
That's the frosting.
It's disgusting. Why is it watery?
Luca! That's rude. Then put it down if you don't want to eat it.
I'm gonna try it. The outside tastes okay.
Okay, now it's my turn to test. Well, Luca, before I taste test, how much percent is it?
Like 89.
Why not 100?
Because most of the cupcake sank, and the inside of the frosting it was very watery, which looks disgusting and tastes way too sweet.
Well, it's dessert. What do you think?
No, not sweet like that, like lemon sweet.
I think it's 99.
And Serafina, it's also falling apart.
Well, it's not. Oh, guys, remember, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Bye.